Artificial intelligence has emerged as a major disruptor in the business world. It's changing how we work, live, and interact with technology, significantly transforming traditional business models. Using this PPT resource lets us understand how our organization can effectively leverage the transformative role of AI and ensure the best possible return on investment. Revolutionize your business operations with artificial intelligence. Grab our AI strategy for business PPT now. As an added incentive, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. Using this PPT slide, explore how AI can augment business performance, enhance customer experiences, and contribute to revenue growth. With this PowerPoint template, assess the current capacities of the business in terms of AI readiness. Evaluate data infrastructure, current technology stack, and personnel capabilities to gauge our starting point for AI implementation. Use these roadmaps to build a robust and viable AI strategy, highlighting strategic use cases, quick wins, data strategies, phases, activities, and more. Explore the potential of AI in transforming your business. Access our comprehensive AI strategy for business PPT via the link below. Deploy a 5-step plan for AI implementation to guide the business from the initial stage of understanding AI and its implications to its successful integration into business operations. Use AI assessment roadmap for a systematic approach to measure the impact and success of AI integration in the business. Finally, explore the ABCDE framework for AI strategy at an enterprise level. This proven framework provides a structured methodology for companies to build and deploy AI for maximum business advantage effectively. For more such presentations resources, visit www.slideteam.net today.